Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create such kind of glamour party effect at your photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first open up Lensa app and then just add here some photos. You can hit at that plus sign that opens up your camera roll, and from here let me show you at that exact photo. You can just pick it up and then hit on add to add that photo to your Lensa app to bring up editor mode. Right here, first off, I recommend you to use Magic Retouch feature that allows you to highly improve the quality of your photo in one click. You can just select any of them to improve your photo, to apply a bunch of different filters to that photo at once. You can hit right now at reset to see the original quality of that photo, and then you can select any of that presets to improve your photo. I strongly recommend you to use one of that Magic Retouch filter packs. And once you did that, let me scale it for a bit. Once you did that, you can move on to backdrop because I want to change the background for that photo. You can easily do that. Just scroll down until you find the background option, and now you can easily, by selecting these presets, you can set any background to your photo, for example that one or that one. But if we want to create glamour party effect, you have to add here something like that. If you want to add some custom background, you can move on to the start of these backgrounds, and right here you can find this plus sign. You can hit on that and then select any background from your camera roll. So I like that one, and now let's move on to the next step. Right here at this toolbar, just hit on effects and then just select New York Party effect. This adds that light glares around the photo, and that effect has 4 different presets, and you can select any of them in that way. I like, for example, that one. You can pick any of them, and once you finished with that, you can just hit on save to save this photo to your camera roll. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.